What makes space so terrifying is, in part, the unknown. The vastness of the cosmos, with its countless galaxies, stars, and planets, makes us feel tiny and insignificant. Even more disturbing is what we already know about the universe. As science advances, we discover increasingly strange phenomena, such as black holes devouring matter, stars exploding into supernovas, and planets with unimaginable conditions. Each new discovery deepens our understanding of the universe, but it also increases the sense of mystery and awe. Space is anything but welcoming. It's a hostile environment where the laws of physics behave in ways that escape our understanding. When we think of planets, we imagine something similar to Earth, rocky and solid. However, the universe presents us with a much wider variety of celestial bodies, many of them incredibly inhospitable and strange. Jupiter, the gas giant of our solar system, is a perfect example. 11 times larger than Earth, its violent atmosphere with winds of up to 600 kilometers per hour is a true cosmic chaos. If we tried to land there, we would be crushed by the immense atmospheric pressure long before getting close to the surface. And that's just Jupiter. In recent years, the discovery of exoplanets has completely changed our view of the universe. It's estimated that there are trillions of planets in our galaxy, each with unique characteristics. Among these worlds, we find some that defy imagination, like HD 189733b, a planet with furious winds and infernal temperatures, where molten glass rains down, creating a terrifying landscape. The stars we see in the sky also hold secrets. Our Sun, though immense to our eyes, is a medium-sized star. There are red supergiants like W64, with a radius 500 times larger than our Sun. If it were in our solar system, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Jupiter. When these stars die, they form black holes, regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing escapes. Inside a black hole, we find the singularity, a point of infinite density where the laws of physics seem to disintegrate. The largest known black hole, TON 618, has a diameter of 380 billion kilometers, devouring entire galaxies. However, even this colossus seems modest when compared to intergalactic voids, gigantic regions of almost empty space. The Bode's void, for example, has a diameter of 330 million light-years, an incomprehensible stretch of emptiness that makes the largest black hole seem insignificant. And the worst part? These voids are expanding. Everything in the universe is moving apart, heading towards a final destination of isolation and darkness. Eventually, galaxies that are close today will be so distant that they will no longer be visible, and it will seem as if our galaxy is all that remains of the universe. As astronomer Edwin Hubble said, as we look farther into the distance, our knowledge quickly fades. In the distant future, humanity or any other advanced life form may come to believe that the universe is only what they see around them. As terrifying as all this may seem, the fear of space is, in some ways, justified. We live on an island of stability in the middle of a vast sea of uncertainties. Yet, this same vastness, this same fear, also offers us a unique perspective. Here, in the right place at the right time, life has flourished, allowing us to contemplate the cosmos and our small position in it. While the universe may seem indifferent, our existence is proof of how special this small piece of space can be. So, look up at the sky, take a deep breath, and feel the privilege of being here. Even in the face of all this grandeur, we are capable of feeling love, joy, fear, and wonder. Enjoy the moment and the opportunity to experience the universe while we still can. Although we may never be certain how everything will unfold, it seems that the universe is heading toward a definitive end. All energy is finite, everything is in decline, and the voids are expanding. A final void will consume all things forever. In the words of author Howard Phillips Lovecraft, "The most merciful thing in the world, I think, is the inability of the human mind to correlate all its contents. We live on a placid island of ignorance in the midst of black seas of infinity, and it was not meant that we should voyage far. The sciences, each straining in its own direction, have hitherto harmed us little. but someday the piecing together of dissociated knowledge will open up such terrifying vistas of reality and of our frightful position therein, that we shall either go mad from the revelation or flee from the light into the peace and safety of a new dark age. This passage was written by Lovecraft in 1928, almost a century ago. In a way, one could argue that these terrifying visions of reality are now accessible to many of us. The advance of sciences, technologies, and human awareness has revealed a vast, terrifying, and indifferent universe of which we are an inescapable part. The fear of space is not entirely irrational. In many ways, it is completely justified. However, the best way to deal with certain fears is sometimes to confront them, to expose ourselves to the object of our phobia and realize that, while frightening, it's not as dangerous as it seems. Look up. Contemplate the infinite space, filled with burning stars and planets of gas and molten lava. Observe the immense and expanding void. Here you are, alive, on a planet that doesn't swallow you whole or tear you apart, that doesn't hurl shards of glass through your skin or burn you alive. You are in a place in the cosmos positioned just the right distance, at the right moment, with the ideal conditions for life to arise, evolve, and create you. So that you can know you exist, feel love, happiness, pleasure, pain, and fear. Feeling fear is, in a way, a blessing. On this planet, you can live while spinning away from one of the most powerful phenomena in the cosmos. You can watch the sunset, see and feel so much beauty that your eyes fill with wonder and appreciation. This object could destroy you at a different distance, but from here, it gives you life. Thrill rides are fun because they're scary, and for some reason, this great cosmic ride is still ongoing. Open your eyes, raise your hands, scream if you need to, and enjoy the fear while you still can. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And remember, knowledge is an investment with endless returns.